Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to the BSS Tech. So today we are introducing that how we can create an account on Fiverr, a platform which introduce freelancers on a high demand. So today we are introducing how to create an account on Fiverr. So let's start. Click on sign in, select your email, I have selected. Now just coming to the profile, click on become a seller. You have to add your name. Just I have written my name, first name, last name. Here you can add your profile picture. I'm not adding it. You can add any kind of your profile picture you want. Now here add your description, which is more attractive, which can attract your buyers to go on your profile. Now just like this, I have my description written as like this. You can simply edit your description. Now coming to the next part is languages. Add your languages, which languages you know and you are fluent in them. I am just writing here English. Language level fluent. Add another language. Click on add new. Simply I know Urdu, fluent. Add a new one. I also know Sindhi. Language level fluent. And you can add any one of the language you know or you are fluent in it. Now just click on continue. Now simply add your occupation, just like your occupation is just I know video and animation. Now select I know intros and outros, visual effects, or product photography, video editing, logo animations, from year. Now just add your year, experience year. It's like 2015 to 2016. If you wanna add another, select add new. I also know writing and translation, technical writing, product description, creative writing, translation, transcripts, article and blog post. I think from year 2012 to 2030. Now add skill. I have the skill of sketching. Now you sketching experience level, I'm expert in it. Add I have writing skill, article writing, and I'm expert in office. You can add your skills, the skills you have. Coming to the next, education part. Simply education, how you are educated or qualified. Now select your country, Pakistan. Type your college, Peria, foundation. Higher education. And now coming to the next, I have just coming to the certificate or award. Certificate of IFT, just like this, TIT from Smart Academy, year 2021. Now provide a link to your own professional website. If you have a website, you can simply add your link here. I didn't have my website, but you can simply add your website also if you have your website. Now click on continue. Now next, linked account. I have connected Google. If you want to connect your Facebook, Twitter, you can simply connect. I also connect them. I don't want to connect them. Continue. Now here is your verification method. Now just you have to add your email and your phone number. I have a verified email. Add your phone number. Just add phone number. Now you can add your number and they will send you a code. Now just write the code here. 2891 is my code. I submit it. Okay. Now select any of your question as a security. If you have deactivated your account or you can't delete it, they want a security question, they will ask again. If you want to re-log in it, they will ask the question and you have to answer it. So add your question wisely, which you can remember to the next time also, just like I have. So here simply your seller profile is all set and you can simply do your profile as a seller. Now if you want to know how to create or active your seller account, because if you want to active your seller account, you have to create a gig. Please watch our next video, and next video I'll show you how to make a gig on Fiverr and how to active your seller profile. Thank you very much. Just finish it.